Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Grubhub promo code. So in order to find the best and the working promo codes for Grubhub in the month of August, what you need to do is you need to simply come to coupons.com. Now coupons.com is a website that I would recommend to anyone who is looking for the best and the working Grubhub promo codes. So if you are not able to get access to coupons.com in your device, then I would recommend you to use a free VPN so that you could know the coupon codes that are currently working and trending. So here you need to use the search bar in the top right hand corner and paste Grubhub over here. After searching for Grubhub, you just have to simply click on its icon, and then you will be able to see that currently around 32 coupons are available for the month of August. So you just have to simply scroll down and try to find the coupon code in which you are interested. So for this video, let's say I want to grab this deal over here. So I simply click on see coupon option, and then it will show you the coupon code. So over here I can get $5 off on the $25 off for the Prime members. So if I want to avail this deal, you just have to simply click on the go to store option, and after waiting for some time you will be redirected on Grubhub. Over here you just have to first click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner and provide your login credentials, and you simply need to sign in into your account. If you are new to Grubhub, then you just have to simply click on create an account option, and then here you need to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, create a strong password for your account, and then click on create your account. Now once you are over here, you just have to select the product that you want to purchase from here and add them in the cart. After that, at the time of checkout, you just have to use the coupon code that we have just copied from coupons.com, and then you just have to simply proceed to the payment and conclude your payment. This way you will be able to get the Grubhub promo codes. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.